Hi guys, welcome back to another bite-sized video. Yes, you are seeing correct. It's iguana season, so today we are going to be making iguana roti. So first I'm starting off by just giving my iguana a rinse off, and I'm removing the tail because it's kind of in the way. As you can see, it's extremely long. Don't mind the blue cork in the sink. I had it there to stop the hole because I couldn't find the stopper, but it just proved to be extremely futile. So once I got the tail out of the way, I'm going to now start to skin my iguana. I'm going to be removing the skin from my iguana. So I'm trying to get in between that initial layer of fat and the skin. So I'm using a thin knife so I can achieve this best. But guys, the iguana skin was pretty tough, so it was not as easy because it was a new knife and I didn't sharpen it when I got it. So yeah, there you go. Also bear in mind that this is my first time working with an iguana, so it might not be as smooth. Yeah, I don't know what I was expecting working with this iguana, but I did not expect it to be so tough. Guys, iguana, it's very ribsy. It's very ribsy, but you know, we move. I was initially only going to remove one half of the iguana's skin. However, after I felt the way that thing felt, I opted to remove it all and just left the tail and foot skin. So we're trying to process down the iguana, but guys, the bone's off. It's hard. Now we're washing our vinegar. I already washed it with just water. Now we're doing a final thorough cleanse with pure white vinegar to get rid of any rankness from the meat. Alright, and of course we're going in with our seasoning, and as someone had requested in a previous video that I show the seasonings that I'm using, so this one is for you. I hope you enjoy. Also, I pretty much stick to the same seasonings because I know that's what my family likes and enjoys. However, if you guys would like to see me try new flavors, for example this Geera, if you would like to see me try new seasoning and new flavors, then be sure to comment down below. Again, we're not only creating food that is close or similar to Vincentian cuisine, however, we can incorporate cuisines from around the world, which will also include different seasonings and different herbs and spices. Okay, so these next two seasonings, being the pepper sauce and the Chadon, beni and garlic seasoning, are both locally made products. So if you would be interested in purchasing, then be sure to hit me up in the comment section and I'll put you on. Nothing like fresh grind seasoning, so I'm going in with some blended ginger, garlic and onion, along with some allspice berries. So today I'm doing an oil curry. You can choose to do your curry dry, but I like to do an oil curry. So I'm just adding in my aromatics, being onion, ginger and garlic, as well as some allspice berries. And because we don't want to bite into no ginger chunks, I made sure to cube them up so they would incorporate nicely into the curry for the end result. So you want to saute these aromatics until they become extremely fragrant or extremely aromatic, as their name suggests. Now, of course, we're going to be using nothing other than Chief curry powder because it's the best to me. I like it. So Chief, if you guys ever come across this video, please sponsor your girl because I do use a lot of Chief products. All right, so now we're adding our iguana after we have thoroughly parched our curry. Make sure your curry is parched because you don't want to give anybody that D word. All right, so we're going to incorporate our iguana into the curry until it catches a nice color. Guys, I never thought that they would come when I would be cooking iguana, but here we are. And in the words of Miss Tabitha Brown, we're adding more garlic because it's what? My business. What is curry even without garlic? It just doesn't make any sense. So this is what the curry looks like after we have allowed it to take in its own juices and dry all the way back down. Alright guys, so we're coming down to the final stages, and by the way, this is homemade roti dough. Yes, big up your girl. By the way, check out one of my previous uploads where I show you guys how to make roti skin. Alright, so now we're adding our mixture, curried potatoes and iguana into the center of the dough, and we're going to wrap it up into a nice burrito style. Please don't come for me because I just called a roti a burrito. Alright, we're adding extra sauce and everything. I already reserved some of the curry juices because I know in my household they love a nice juicy roti, so I made sure to reserve some of the juices to add to give it that extra oomph. Alright, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and let me know if you eat iguana or if you're from a country where you don't eat iguana, and that is absolutely okay. There's nothing wrong with that. But here in St. Vincent and the Grenadines, some of us do eat iguana. I actually don't. I did try a piece though. I did try a piece, but it's not something that I typically do. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and comment any other iguana dish that you guys would like to see me make. Bon appetit and keep on watching.